So I was playing with my Monster Jam RC car, right? And for some reason it's making this weird sound. Let me just turn it on first. See, it makes that weird squeaky sound on this motor. The other one that doesn't do that. Only this one. I don't know what's happening, but it still runs. It's just doesn't sound very satisfying to me. It doesn't sound good to me. I want to remove this sound. At first I thought it was the gears, but it's not. I thought it was electronics, but it was not. So my only conclusion was I think the motor has something wrong with it.